Hello friends, this is Vaishali from Monomosni team. We are here to welcome Ariba Parvez from Karachi, Pakistan. Hi Ariba, how are you?
I am good and
Uh,
I hope for you.
yeah, I'm also doing good, thank you. So let me tell more about Ariba. She is a student of second year in Masters in Political Science from Karachi University. Ariba said from her own words is she is an initial writer and always passionate to discover new things. She is an introvert but a sharp extrovert writer. She believes in the long process for attaining success rather than struggling to grab the tasteless fruits from the tallest branches of trees. She has been participant for more than a year and won 7 certificates in different categories. Her hobbies are she loves to do blogging, explore different places, and share experience of her in her Instagram account. That's amazing. And her favorite activity is driving, and she loves to teach as well. And she has a separate passion for swimming as well. That's amazing.
Thank
So so please tell me that how you come to know about this international monomossy essay contest.
Okay, actually, as I had a passion to write,
Yeah.
okay, and one day I just started googling like how many contests do we have in Pakistan, because we have restrictions, we have limitations.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I was just checking out, are there any availabilities to prove myself, to prove my writing, and to just display my ideas to the world. And for that, writing has always been the best option for the readers, and I believe like for all the human beings, those who are not much into writing or reading, but writing makes them like it opens the ways of knowledge and information and how to live a very peaceful life. So one day I was just googling, and there I got a list, and in that list there was, I think, number 2 or 3. There was the this international contest by the name of Monomosumi. So I just started writing, I think, in the year of 2019, and it was my very first trial. And
Oh,
on the very first trial I got the second position. I secured the second position. And okay, that time this contest had a policy of distributing trophies, so I was very excited that I'll be getting the trophy. But on from that, from that month, the policy, it got changed, and the trophy was only for the first position. I know this, like getting trophies, they don't matter at all. What matters is your skill, your ability. And since I got the I secured the second position, that's all. That's the big thing. But I was so excited for the trophy. Well, that was my thought to share. So since then I have been writing, and due to COVID I got disengaged due to some reasons. But then I resumed writing, like I had been writing for the last year since 2020. And since then I have been winning. I have been categorized in different categories.
wow.
So
Great.
I am so thankful, so very thankful to this team. Yeah, seriously, because there are not all the platforms who recognize your ability, your skill, and they don't appreciate your efforts, whether you win or not. But this platform, they appreciate. They just don't jump on your winning session, or whether you lose or whether you win. Your appreciation, when you're appreciated, it means a lot. So thank
Very
you,
true.
Mosumi, once again. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. So, what motivates you to write?
What motivates me is not everything can't be spoken, and not everything can't be acted. The only way to display or to tell the meaning of the life, like why are you here, what you must do, what you should do to motivate others.
Sorry for this connectivity issues. Let's continue. So, what motivates you to write?
Yeah. Yeah, see, as I have seen, there are many readers, the writers, they have literally ruled the world. So, the passion I just want to receive and I just want to adopt is to uh, involve the whole world into writing and reading.
Wow.
That's all my, my goal, and that's my life. My whole life would for writing.
That's great. And what approaches
Yeah.
you off for writing?
Like approaches, see, there can be many. Like it's a very vast session, but like I just want to create a very smooth and a very feasible platform for the others to dive into this activity or this passion, because uh, there are many human beings who face difficulties, who face difficulties in displaying themselves. They don't have much confidence, they don't have much knowledge, much awareness. See, they have a power, they have a skill, but they don't know how to exhibit that skill or that display to display that activity. So I just want to create a very a new world for them, so that they can easily live with their abilities, with their skills, and let them the world know them, or let them help to live a very peaceful life and very the capable life, the life which they are capable of.
Okay.
So that's all my approaches.
So, what are the difficulties you face while you write and how you overcome with it?
I don't face any difficulties, but the mentality you face, you have the question of mentality every time in your mind, like what are you speaking will not always be welcomed by the listener.
Jesus,
The
yes, very true.
writer is not, yeah, the writer is not always welcomed by the reader. It's not important your all ideas, your all inventions, your all thoughts are welcomed by the writer, and I believe it's natural.
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
a part of nature. Yeah, not everybody in this world would agree with your ideas, and they start living on your ideas. There is a time, they need experience, they need time to practice your thoughts. And once you have once they have started adopting your ideas, you have won the race. So
Very
it
true.
takes time, and the most important thing is your sincerity to your passion, to your madness. If there is sincerity, if there is a madness, and if there is you really want others to feel your skill, your what are you about, why do you want to do that, why do you want to do that. So it would be it would bring the I believe the great scale of positivity into the world.
Very true. So, in your life, who inspires you the most?
Being a student, I have always admired my teachers. One of my teachers, she's not with me right now, because it was a it was about when I was in grade 8.
Oh,
So she was my English teacher, and she has always my inspiration. Yeah, you know,
That's
like
great.
it has been more than a decade.
Of course.
Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, please go on.
It ha- yeah, it has been more than a decade, but you know, the inspiration never fades out.
Very
The
true.
one you
Very
has
true.
inspired you always, yeah, will always be, you know, there till the last breath of your life. So she is, she was, and she will be my inspiration
That's great.
always.
That's great. And do you want to tell more anything about yourself to our audience?
Yeah, sure, definitely, because as I am, you know, practicing writing, I'm not right up there. See, I'm still practicing, I'm still struggling. So for those who are facing difficulties in exhibiting their abilities, their skill, just for the sake of, you know, how will the second person react, please don't think, don't, you know, don't consider the thoughts, the reactions of the others. They will never, you know, let you succeed. The only thing will let you succeed is your own inner voice. Just listen to that. Just try to give it a try to your inner voice. Try to listen it, because it is from the, you know, the almighty source, and that is you and I worship, that is you and I are for. So we must listen to the inner voice. We must you know, start reforming ourselves from right now.
Mm-hmm.
We can't wait for the others. We can't wait for the others to come and to, you know, make ourselves and to reform ourselves. It is up to us, and it is our duty to start reforming ourselves. And once you have, you know, started reforming and started making yourself, believe me, the world will start recognizing you and will start appreciating you and will start admiring you. So it has to be started from yourself, from by your side.
Very true, very true. You shared a very good thing with our audience that if everyone starts working with themselves, then they can win the world.
Yeah, definitely. Since
Yes.
we have, you know, many examples, and they have the foundation of the
True, correct.
formation. Where
Hmm,
did they start from? See,
correct. So, do you want to share any tips about writing to our writers or audience?
see, as I have mentioned that it's not, you know, important that all your thoughts and all your ideas would be welcomed, but you know, stay in the circle of positivity. See, there will be criticism. Uh,
Yes.
on the one side, we have admiration. So on the other hand, we have the criticism.
True.
Okay, the life is not the bed of roses. So we have to consider both
Hmm,
with positivity. If the criticism is there, you must embrace criticism because that is for your own good.
hmm,
Okay, so the positivity and the negativity both have to be embraced. And
hmm,
secondly, whatever you feel, just start first you have to embrace what are you feeling and why are you feeling. Then start telling the world, then start writing, then start like exhibiting through your ideas, but never get too much personal.
of course,
Don't
yes.
you know, personalize your thoughts, your writings, and consider that whatever you are saying and whatever you think is absolutely right. There would be, you know, lots of differences, many differences there would be, you know. So you must be in the circle of positivity is
Hmm,
all I have to say, and that's all I possess every time.
that's great. That's great. So before you start writing anything, you have to do like what's going in your mind. You have to write it on paper, then you have to do research. Then it's not important that whatever you are writing will be appreciated by every or every user who is reading or who is just taking it off. So you have to be ready for the criticism as well, right?
Definitely, definitely.
Hmm. So
There would be
any
criticism.
that's good. That's good. That you have shared a very important point today. That's really important for every person to know that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is what I believe. you know, my family is a great source of criticism. You won't believe, whatever, if I do something right, they appreciate me. But if I do
Yes.
something wrong, they criticize me because they want to, they want me to tread the path of positivity. So in order to tread that path, they criticize me, they resurrect me, and they show me the right way. And your family, your friends, they are the important sources of resurrection. So and there would be the room if you believe, yet that you are not and every time absolutely right. There would be many differences. So these are the part and parcels of the life. So this is all my family, this is all me, Ariba Parvez.
Thank you so much. It's really nice talking to you, and congratulations for your winning.
Thank you so much. Same here.
Please stay safe,
Thank you so much.
happy life,
Thank
and
you
all
so
the
much,
best for
Sally.
your life. Yeah, bye. Take care.
I wish I wish more for you. I wish you the more power and the peaceful life, and all the positivities to you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Take
Have a
care.
good day. Bye.